Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an elegant cutout on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the cutout button next to the logo section at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find the elegant cutout option, and just select a template and new you can edit. If you want to add the text to your project, go to the text button at the lower left corner of the screen and write your text. And if you finish, just click to the Done button. In the font section you can find different font type, and just select one, and if you want to change the color of your text, click to the color section and select another color. In the shadow section you can add shadows to your text. And new, if you want to add a picture or change the picture on your project, go to the graphic section, and in the symbol section you can find different graphic elements, and go to the photo section, and here you can select the images from your device. If you go to the doodle section, just select a color, and new you can draw on your project. And if you go to the brush section, here you can find different object, and for example just click one and you can add, for example, light to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.